Hey there guys, it's me Rob. Thanks for tuning in to the Rob Some Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we have a PopSocket video tutorial for you guys. So now I already have a video showing you guys how to install a PopSocket onto the phone, but in that video I had a phone with a life-proof case on it, and I had a lot of requests to do another video without the case on, so we're just applying it straight to the bare phone, or the iPhone in this case. So the basics of the tutorial are going to stay the same, but let's just go ahead and show you how to do this, and we'll try to keep this one nice and short. So you have your PopSocket here and you have your phone, and first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you clean off your phone. I've already done this. You want to clean this off with like a microfiber cloth, and then also if it's still dirty, you can go ahead and follow that up with just a little, like an alcohol swab, just to get it nice and clean, just to make sure that this adheres nice and good, which you should have no problems with, especially if you have a new PopSocket. Then you're going to peel off the little plastic layer of your PopSocket, and you're going to put this adhesive side just down like that, wherever you want it. And you may have to play around with this a little bit, but this is an iPhone 6, so I normally put it between, like, halfway between the Apple and where it says iPhone, somewhere like around here. But depending on how big your phone is, you may want to play around with the placement. And don't worry, you can always take up the PopSocket and replace it later if you need to. So we're just going to put it right there, just collapse it, and just give it a good press. Just like that. And there you are. You have your PopSocket good to go for all your selfies, texting, and other needs. Guys, if you ever have the need to take this off and remove it or reposition it, you can click the videos over to the right. I do have some videos up there showing you how to do that, or also in the description I'll put links to my other PopSocket videos as well. They've been very useful to people thus far, and I'm just trying to pass that along to you. Guys, that's it for this tutorial. I don't want to keep it too long, but if this helped you out, please make sure you smack that thumbs up button. It helps me out so much. You can go ahead and click my logo on screen now to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. And after you're done with this video, you can, over here, you can check out some other relevant PopSocket content. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.